Hey, Jeff, Gregg, more Klim here with Charleston Area Living. Today, we're going to do something that we have people ask us to do a lot, and that is take a more in-depth look at specific models.
Yeah, and it's going to be in Four Seasons in Cane Bay.
Yep, one of our
55 plus.
favorite 55 pluses. So I think you get a little bit more time in each unit here. Check it out. If we haven't met, Jeff and Mark from Charleston Area Living, we help people buy, invest, sell here in the Charleston market.
And build.
And we really love this neighborhood, so we want to take a closer look at some of our favorite models. There's like another 7 or 8 on top of this one, but we didn't want to have
Overwhelm
to
people.
take the whole day to watch us on a video. But let's go inside and check out these 3.
Hey everybody, we are here in
Cane Bay Plantation at the Four Seasons 55 plus neighborhood.
Yep.
Want to give you a tour of the Athens. Let's go inside and check it out. I'll give you the details as we're heading in. This one starts at 1,320 square feet. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a 2-car garage. So right inside the front door here is the secondary bedroom. So guests, grandkids, whatever in this room. And it's got a good sized little kind of a mini walk-in closet right there, and it's got a full bath with a shower. Back of the hall here, you'll see it opens up very quickly into a big open space.
I love this open floor plan. Like for a house only being 1,500 square feet,
Doesn't feel like it.
it feels really much bigger. So as you can see, it's got a decent sized island. There's gas in the community. You can get double ovens. You've got your dining area over here to the left as you're coming in. Big open living room. You can put a tray ceiling pretty much anywhere that you want a tray ceiling.
Yep.
If you build from ground up. Of course, they have to be built and they have
Spec homes here
spec
also.
homes
Yeah.
also, yeah.
And this is the primary bedroom. So the owner suite, what I like about this room is definitely big enough here, but it also has a separate sitting area over here as you're walking into the bathroom. So in the bathroom, you'll see double vanity, walk-in shower. There's a linen closet, good size here, and then definitely a big enough walk-in closet for 2 people. Let's go out back. I want to show you the back porch in this one because it is really wide. Kind of covers the whole width of the house, and you can screen these in also.
Yeah, Jeff, this back porch, like you said, is really, really long. I love that it's covered, but like you said, you can screen it in if you want, but it's easier to clean when it's not screened in.
Yep.
The other thing I like about this neighborhood is when you have your backyard and you're backing up to other people. As you can see, they put these berms up here to give you a little bit more privacy and make it feel a little bit more cozy in your yard as well.
So the last thing about this house is if you like this lot or this type of house, but you need a little bit more space, you can add a second story to it. That adds another full bedroom, a full bathroom, and it puts it up to 2,135 square feet. This is the Athens. If you have any questions, let us know.
Today we're going over the
Donegal.
Donegal.
And this one has a loft. Come inside. I want to tell you about it and look at it. It's so you can build this with 1 or 2 levels. The Donegal starts at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home at 1,695 square feet, but this one also adds an office. We'll show you that in just a minute. This is the secondary bedroom, so this one's for the guests, or it could be a craft room, anything else you want to do with it. And it has a closet here also in it, making it a bedroom. And there's a full bath right outside the door here with a walk-in shower. And then this one, unlike the Athens, has an office. So French doors open up into an office space. You may even be able to, if you build this from the ground up, put this as a 3rd bedroom downstairs. And this one really opens up once you get in this room.
Yeah, Jeff, one thing about this is if you like cabinet space,
Yeah.
there's plenty of cabinets here in this kitchen. Big long island, as you can see, it's much bigger than the previous one that we were just in. And this one has an additional sunroom. So as you can see in the back there, Jeff's gonna pretend he's a wall.
I make good walls.
Where he is, behind him is the sunroom. So you can see how much that opens up this space and really makes it a beautiful.
Yep. But if you don't need that space, you can just build it from this point out and I would be standing on the porch right here where I am now. So this one also has a big wide porch to it, almost the whole width of the house, the berms behind it, and of course you can screen this in also, and you can also add another pad outside of the porch if you wanted to for a grill. Let's go check out the master bedroom on this one. It's got a really beautiful bathroom in it also.
Yeah, these master and primary bedrooms have amazing bathrooms. So every one of them has a bench in the shower. So if that's something that you like, you will have it in almost all of these homes. As you can see, you can definitely fit a king bed in here. This one has a nice tray ceiling in the ceiling, and then all of these windows just give you all that natural light. Here's the shower in this one. You've got a dual sinks over here, and then definitely a master bedroom closet that will be plenty big enough for most people anyways. So Dwayne, why don't you head back out to Jeff? He's gonna show us the pantry and the laundry room over there.
All right, over here, this way is the laundry room. I want to show you this, and then I can't wait for you to see the upstairs. Really amazing upstairs in this one, but 2-car garage here, and here's the laundry room. If this is a 1 level only and doesn't have an upstairs, this laundry room gets a little bit bigger. But let's go upstairs now and check out the loft, because it is another full house up there almost. You've got another big loft area, and then it's got a full bedroom and a full bathroom. So if you had family coming to visit you, and when you live in Charleston, family always comes to visit, they could have their whole separate space here in this loft, full bathroom and another full bedroom, and this one actually has a walk-in closet with it also.
We're checking out the Ibiza.
You can buy it if you want to, but I call it the Ibiza.
Okay, Ibiza.
It's easy to remember that way.
Huh.
Here's the other thing it's easy to remember in this one. Just think of twos. As we walk in, I'll explain. This house is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, and it is 2,002 square feet.
Wow.
Now you can add a second level on this one. We'll talk about that in a minute. But at its base, it's a 2-2 with lots of 2s. Here's is the secondary bedroom. It's got a nice walk-in closet right here, and then it's got a full bath here at the front. Again, a nice walk-in shower. And in this model, when it is a 1-story, you have this room here, and then when it turns into a 2-story, this is where the stairs go. But when you walk back into the big open space where Mark is, you'll see how much this thing opens up.
Yeah, once you pass that corner there, just look at how wide this model is. To your immediate right, you have an office that's also a little bit wider just because it's straight on instead of kitty cornered, just like the last model that we saw. And then, so you have several different eating areas, as you can see here. You've got one in the back, which is like a breakfast nook. You've got your dining room table here, and then you can fit 4 or 5 stools here, no problem.
Yeah.
Jeff, tell them about the kitchen.
Enormous. So one of the great things about when you build from the ground up is you can pick all your design features like the backsplash, the floors, what you want here, what type of stone. It's got this nice kitchenette area. I mean, look at the size of that table. It's plenty big. And then one of the great things about this one I like is the back porch. I really like when they are separated, or they have walls on 3 sides, because it's really private in here. You just have the view out back into the berm. On this specific, there's lake and wood views and different lots available here. But go check out the master with Mark.
Yeah, so this master is considerably larger than the last couple. As you can see, plenty of windows still. You can still add the tray ceiling at the top. Most of them all have ceiling fans. If not, you can add them. You've got the great master bathroom with a big 5-foot shower and the bench. Dual vanities over here. And again, another decent sized master closet here. And again, that's for some people. I know some people could fill this all by themselves and would tell their husbands they need to go somewhere else. Let's go see Jeff over in the pantry and the laundry room.
So as you step back into the main room here, you'll see the laundry room is over past the kitchen. There's a pantry here, but a nice big laundry room. Have a sink here. This is one of the garages that I think is interesting. So it's a 2-car garage here, but there's 2 additional kind of deeper spaces in the garage, and you can pull a golf cart in there. One more thing in this house is and several of the models have the ability to add an upstairs storage area. So if you come up here with me, now this wouldn't be a finished space that you would live in, but just a lot of storage space here. And then if you want to add in this one the upstairs finished area with the loft, it turns into a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,722 square feet. Any questions on this one, let us know.
Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed those previews of these first 3 models here in Four Seasons. We'll get the other ones on another day for sure. But again, we didn't want to overwhelm you with a bunch of information, so we thought this was a good start. Hey, if you want to talk more about Four Seasons or any community in the area, we've got a link in the description down below. It will go into our calendar and let you schedule some time with us, and we'll do a Zoom call with you if you're not here locally. If you are here locally,
you can see us in our office here in Nexton.
If you want anything else at all, just reach out. Look forward to talking to you.
See ya.